In today's class, we are going to see about power spectral density, right? So first we should know what is meant by power spectral density, right? So any idea about power spectral density?
Basically, we use the power spectral density in some communications to reduce the noise and make the long.
Yes, very good, right? So the power which is present in the signal, that is called power spectral density, right? So now we are going to have the DT concept, that is design thinking concept. So using design thinking concept, now we are going to present the power spectrum, right? So we are going to solve any problem using design thinking concept. Okay. Yes.
So guys, when we are implementing the design thinking stages, while talking about the first stage is empathy, and the empathy, coming to the empathy part, in the wireless communication channel noise analysis, basically the users who are using the wireless communication is mobile phone users, and basically we are engineers and network companies. What problems are they facing is the mobile calls or the data drops because of the signal, poor signals and the interference. How is it? They are feeling very frustrated because of the when the suddenly call drops out or the data decreases or your network is low, it makes them frustrated. So what are the insights they are expecting is they want a clear communication and better signal quality even in the noisy environment. So this is the empathy we have witnessed in the wireless communication channel noise analysis.
The second part is define. The main problem is that mobile users face weak or unclear signals because of random noise signal through wireless channels. So that this noise makes it harder for the signals to reach from the village.
So coming to the third stage in design thinking, it is ideate. So ideate is nothing but giving solutions to the problems. In that cases, the possible ideas vary using spectral density analysis to identify the dominant noise frequencies. The next is we can use the filter that is designed to separate the heavy noises or the harmful noises which affect it. And the next one will be we can improve the signal clarity by adapting the transmissions based on the noises. The possible solutions for the final solutions we can analyze the signals using PSD, that is power spectral density, and we can also design a matched filters that helps to maximize the SNS. SNS nothing but signals to noise ratio. So these are the ideas in
So next part is prototype. So collecting a wireless communication into a noise signal, and next analyzing a PSD design by using fast Fourier transform analysis method, by designing a filter by using a dominant frequency, and next a single filter by using a cutoff major noise frequency. Test filter by testing a noise signal to see clarity by using this MATLAB or a Python script to show a power spectral density analysis and
the final stages are testing. Here we want to validate the user's needs and feedbacks. Here first we have to simulate a noisy signal and we have to play in front of where they want to make a difference between when the filter is used and when the filter is not used. So when we simulate a signal, obviously we have certain noises and certain validate signals. So after using the filter what we designed using PSD, we are going to play the signal now with the filters what we use. Here after using this filter, the SNR ratio will be reduced, which is signal noise ratio will be reduced, and the feedback from the users have been reduced, and those where we have improved the communication quality and it has been better than before. And secondly, using PSD, we can, using this feedback, they have deduced that the PSD has been useful for understanding and solving the problems.
So guys, with all the 5 stages in the design thinking, we have witnessed that in the empathy part, we have overcome how the users are feeling frustrated. We have found out that what is the main interface wireless communication channel analysis. The defined part is able to understand the clear entities that because of the signal degradation, the noise increases and becomes a lower quality. And the ideate part, we have seen that by implementing PSC and by designing a noise filter, we can bring up a solution. And in the prototype part, we have implemented the PSC analysis and we have done some sort of filtering to overcome the process. Finally, with the testing, we have witnessed how this all the 4 stages have reduced the have enhanced the better quality and reduced the channel noise levels and made the users happy. So with all the 5 design stages, we have overcome the problem with the wireless communication channel noise analysis. So thank you.
Okay guys, so in today's class, we just discussed about the DT problem statement in the topic power spectral density, right? So the problem is what? We need to enhance the noise, right? During phone call, right? So using a design thinking concept, just we had an idea, but it is not the solution, right? Just to be throw out the ideas, right? So thank you guys.
Thank you.